How to fix Wizz app not working. Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today I'll guide you on how you can fix if your Wizz app is not working. Now there are a couple of ways that you can fix the issue if the app is crashing or has problems and it's not working. Now first you want to check the Wizz app server status and make sure the server is okay and there is no problem with any server. Now if the server is down, then you might want to wait for it and you want to try it again later. The next thing what you want to do is you want to clear cache. Now what you can do is you can scroll down the notification bar and tap on the settings or gear icon at the top right corner, and once there you want to scroll down below and all the way to the apps, and there you want to select the Wizz app. Now in my case I haven't downloaded the app. I'll just open up this random app here, and if you scroll down you want to head into the storage and you want to clear data of the Wizz app. Now the other way is to use VPN. You can try and use VPN, and you can head into your Play Store, you can download any VPN that you want and you can open up VPN and you can use VPN in case it's not working, and you can try switching between your networks. You can scroll down the notification bar. If you are on Wi-Fi, you can switch to other networks or your mobile data and try switching in between your internet connection. If this all doesn't help, then what you can do is you can try and restart your device. Simply tap and hold your power button, and there it'll ask you for shutdown or restart option there, and you can simply restart your device, and this might help fix the issue. So this way you can fix Wizz app not working. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.